Welcome to NFTstudio24.com.
Hey guys, today we're going to talk about mistakes to avoid when buying NFTs. NFTs can be pretty confusing, and there aren't a lot of people talking about the prep that it takes to get an NFT. A good first step when looking into buying an NFT is joining the Discord and seeing how active the community is. So typically when joining a Discord, you want to see that either the community or the team is active, because it's a sign that, of course, they care about the project and they have buyers for the project. And another good thing to check out is if they have a quality site. And you want to look for spelling or grammatical errors on the site to see if they invested money into a copywriter versus just throwing up a site as soon as possible. Let me tell you, that is a red flag. And when on the site or on the Discord, you also want to be looking for the roadmap and what the plans are for the community, or if they intend on creating a DAO. A DAO either being created before or after the launch of an NFT is a great way to tell how long-term they are thinking, because DAOs have a sustainable community structure built into them. And some common mistakes you can make when actually buying an NFT are that you don't account for the gas fees associated with buying an NFT. So here's an NFT hack. If you are minting a project on Ethereum, for example, you can go to etherscan.io/gas tracker to see live gas prices, so you know how much extra you need to put into your wallet. And another mistake people can make is that they aren't on more than one device at a time. So hear me out. It can be a fight trying to buy an NFT, and they sometimes sell out within minutes. So the best way to be prepared is by being on your phone, your computer, or on a tablet all at the same time. I know this might sound a little crazy, and it probably is, but you want to get ahead of it all. So guys, remember to like this video and subscribe, and of course, let us know below what else you would like us to chat about regarding everything NFT.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTstudio24.com.